A pie chart shows the distribution or ratio of each item of data in relation to the total amount. And the contribution of each data item to the total data is displayed as a number or percentage. A pie chart is most effective when drawing more than 3 sets of data. See, here we have a table for which we want to draw a pie chart. First, we select the desired area. And from the Insert tab, we select the pie chart. When we draw the pie chart, there is one point, my friends, and that is that in order for the values of these parts to be displayed, we must activate the Data Labels option in the Chart Elements section. But it may be difficult to match this part with the values inside these parts, especially if there are a lot of them. So we suggest you to disable the tick in the Legend section. But double click on these labels. In the opened window, activate the Category Name option in the Label Options section. And now you will see that it displays the name of each category. And the second point is that this option, as you can see, is percentage. Well, see, when we enable this option, it will show us the percentage and share of each value. But for this, you need to disable the value option. Other charts don't have this percentage part, and only the pie chart has this option, which is very interesting and automatically calculates and displays all the values. In the pie chart section, there is also a section that shows us the data in a three-dimensional format. But there are two other diagrams that are part of pie diagrams. One of them is the pie of pie chart and the other is the bar of pie chart. The pie of pie chart is one of the types of pie chart and it's used when there are many small slices in the Excel pie chart and you want to create a pie of pie chart and display the small slices on an additional pie that is a slice of the original pie. Well, my friends, here we have an example. In this table, we have a column where the data is displayed in a sorted form. This is where Excel comes in. It displays those data that are small in a smaller chart, which is the pie of pie. Because these values are small and cannot be seen in the main chart, let's draw a pie of pie chart for this table together to get to know its points. First, we select the desired area. From the Insert tab, in the Pie Chart section, we select the Pie of Pie option. My friends, here you can also see the bar of pie chart. These two are one and the same, only here instead of being circular, it's vertical. Here we choose the Pie of Pie option. First, we activate the chart label. When we double-click on these labels, we activate the percentage option in the Label Options section. And we also disable the Value option. We also activate the Category Name option. And after that, we remove the legend. Well, my friends, don't forget to be energetic. Now we select the whole chart and change its font and size. Here, we click on the small circle and we can make more changes to it in this settings section. For example, in the Pie Explosion section, we can create a gap. In the Gap Width section, We can increase or decrease the distance between the two circles. In the second plot pie section, we can also change the size of the second graph. In the split by series section, we can also change the chart based on these options. See, if we select the position option and increase and decrease it in this section, it will show us the data table from the bottom.